got EMS coming for you, bud.
I've got EMS in route.
I'm up here.
A vehicle with tinted windows painted with a layer of black paint was spotted on the highway and was ordered to stop by highway patrol. As the patrol approached the vehicle, the driver accelerated and attempted to flee. Police initiated a pursuit, but the driver remained extremely reckless, fleeing at high speed and weaving through traffic.
First man, he turned around, he's going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way. I might have to go up, try to get something around.
Okay, we're coming. Now, did you say he was losing a guy or headlong from?
Yeah, lost it, yeah. We tried to stop a second ago. And he was having some issues. 387 is an issue coming up on me. Fort Smith, I'm head on with this vehicle right now.
Another police car in the patrol unit, upon receiving information about the direction of the vehicle, decided to position their vehicle in front of the suspects to halt the pursuit, ensuring the safety of other civilians on the road.
Get out of the vehicle! 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 Get out of the vehicle!
That's what I'm not looking. He crashed down.
2720. Here.
Get out of the car now! Hey, I got EMS coming for you, bud.
The impact caused minor injuries to the police officer.
I've got EMS in route.
I'm up here. I'm up here. Sit right here. You're good. Sit down.
A car theft in Craighead County was reported to the county police, who confirmed that the stolen vehicle was moving on the highway. When the vehicle noticed the pursuit by all three patrol cars, it immediately fled.
be turning into southbound.
Just turned.
Attention County unit, Franklin County just mentioned on their radios they were going to pass by on 141.
I'm lead Jonesboro. We're going to be eastbound 358.
Now.
Two occupants, white female driver.
The suspect drove at a high speed with the police in close pursuit. The suspect's vehicle swerved and narrowly avoided colliding with moving vehicles, including the police cars. To prevent the dangerous suspect from escaping, the police engaged in a high-speed pursuit, waiting for the right moment to intervene. The suspect's vehicle moved at high speed, constantly changing directions, making the pursuit challenging. Dust and smoke near the scene obscured the view from the police cars.
Have you made it to 351 yet?
She's not going that way, too. We're northbound.
Come on, County Road 715, approaching County Road 714 right now.
She turned right, stayed on 715.
Staying on County Road 715.
The pursuit remained extremely intense, and the coordination between the police cars successfully blocked the suspect and intervened on a small road.
Driver! Shut the door! Driver, open the door!
We've got them at gunpoint. They're the residents out here.
Driver! Open the door!
We have movement.
Back behind that tree.
She's movement.
Driver! Open the door!
Certainly, he will face severe consequences for his actions. Never race against the police.
Might take that. Stand by. No, we're gonna stay 40 west.
Stand 40 west.
Yeah, I got a spot right here. Come on now, let me get it. Too much traffic. Can't put it right there, we had traffic. We're gonna be staying 40 west. Come up to the north interchange.
I'm falling behind your call.
He's passing, he's going up here on the right, stand by. We got a pit, roll over, pit, roll over, stand by. We're stopped here at JFK. Hands! Hands, driver! Hands! Driver, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands!
Florida Highway Patrol trooper stationed at a median break was conducting routine duties when they spotted a red Dodge traveling at nearly 90 miles per hour. The patrol unit initiated its pursuit, but upon noticing the police vehicle behind them with sirens blaring, the driver immediately accelerated to high speeds in an attempt to evade responsibility. The police maintained a close pursuit, waiting for the right moment to intervene. Once they deemed the opportunity had arrived, the police used the patrol vehicle to perform a pit maneuver on the rear of the suspect's car, causing it to leave the roadway and come to a stop in an empty lot. The pursuit concluded and the suspect was apprehended without the need for medical intervention.
I build houses. I got a real job.
Okay, which one?
Then the law was breaking, be honest with me.
What?
Then the law was breaking bad this time.
You?
Not me. It was what happened tonight would cost me a good time in jail.
Look, I can't talk to you because you won't tell me if you understand your rights or not.
I do understand my rights, but listen, it's a holiday season. Listen, it's a holiday season.
Are you okay talking with me after I read you your runner rights?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So what was it about, man?
Listen, honestly,
Okay, I'm listening.
it's too late. It's too late for that. I understand. But I work for the county too.
Okay.
I understand it's too
Who
late.
do you work for?
Shell Solution. It's too late. I lost a career, right?
Where'd you meet that girl at?
Party in fucking Lehigh.
You said you met her at a party?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have anything to drink tonight?
Yes, she was supposed to be my designated driver.
We sincerely thank you for taking the time to explore and share these meaningful stories with us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue following and